I didn't need a season to love you, but this season make me feel it even more. The rain start whisper on the rooftops slow. I light the candle, let the rhythm flow. Every beat in my heart drum call your name. Every breath may take feel just the same. Man, I need no fancy gift, no holiday show. Just the warmth from your arms, that's all I know. Wrapped in your love, I find my peace. Every worry fade, every fear release. Like paper and bow, you hold me tight. Wrapped in your love, I feel alright. The night's so calm, the tree lights gleam, but it's your touch turn life to dream. You hum soft tunes in the lover's key, the sweetest song ever sing to me. If forever was a present, me opening now. Your love so true, me take a vow. Through every season, me spirit lift, 'cause me heart already get its gift. Wrapped in your love, me soul rejoice. Your heartbeat call me sweetest voice. No winter wind could ever divide. Wrapped in your love, me safe inside. Yeah, just keep me there. Wrapped in your love, just keep me there. Yeah, just keep me there.